Okay, winning 4-0 against Immigration FC. We back as Immigration A cheap, but A cheap sir. None of you be has full female could be mine. Or brother now fast in the Bobby. Game we send out wishing game way.
Oh, my brother, you say Vision
Immigration, yeah.
No, I want the
Vision 1 FM.
Vision 1 FM. Let me greet them first of all and the listeners all about the Immigration and the Hearts Oak match.
Game, yeah.
It's true. Immigration, they are our, if you go inside something like our grand sons. Immigration, you get me. Them like this, you know, like you forgive them like 7. You see, because first half now they are playing stubborn.
Yeah.
You see, they are playing stubborn, and Abubakar Ouattara and Hearts team, we have different tactics with the play. So if you are playing stubborn, we can watch you like how Ouattara will make first half. So the second half, so the boys are coming. Now they are bringing 7 goals because of the Kotoko match. We will give them 4 to reserve that 3 for Kumasi. So let me tell the Kotoko players and the supporters and the fans that Hearts Oak we are coming. This is our preparation, this match. So the 3 goals where we left, we are coming to Kumasi to score them. Kumasi there, Kotoko no get cry. Oh, it be my chairman. So let me do my thing. It be my chairman Vanderpool. Incoming SCC chairman.
Okay.
This moving his car.
Okay.
You get me? So even we are coming there, Ouattara with incoming LCC chairman to score Kotoko
in Kumasi.
At Kumasi.
The last season they give it to you, they give it to you home and away.
That's why I'm warning them. Not today. Not on the 15th. On the 15th, if you come to Kumasi, Kotoko make lucky crowd will be draw. So that draw crowd will not go allow. We there will go score Kotoko. 3-0 final. So the Immigration and the Hearts Oak match here, it will be preparation match. That's why our players do like they are playing the low play because we'll tell them you have match for Kumasi, so they should be careful. So let me take the players and the Abubakar Ouattara Guardiola and all the supporters that they came today and the Royal Phobia fans and the concerning phobias. I'm greeting everybody. Today too, my daughter Adwa is here with me.
Okay.
So let me greet her too. And the Chama Vanderpool too is here. So I'm greeting him too. So all of the Vision 1 crew all.
Otega more fans.
I'm greeting you very much. And Englishman, anytime you need me, brother, I'll come.
As I say, this Humphrey. Amphitheater is your son. Like
Amphitheater is let me take it like it's my son.
Okay.
Since the time where is Auroras.
Okay.
See, and the Amphitheater, please, Hearts Oak supporters, watch out and Amphitheater. What Amphitheater is bringing, Chama, watch out. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Englishman.